one thing what we want to do in this data, and this is just a trailer, okay? I'm just showing you few functions, how easy and user friendly it is in Excel. Okay, now what I want to do in this data is I want to bifurcate these names and the domain ID like this. I want to bifurcate and make it in 3 columns, right? Which company, because this will give me a company ID and their first name and their last name. How would you do it? Any idea which function we should use? Bharat says left. Anyone else? Text to column, text split, text to delimited, right? And how much time do you think, if the database is huge, will you take? Yeah, let me open one more file. So if it can be done very quickly, okay, let me show you how. What I'm doing here, I'm typing Nancy and here Smith. That is what I want, right? And then I will do some magic. I've pressed just one button. I've just pressed one button. There is no formula, nothing needs to be put in. It's just one shortcut key which I have pressed, and you get all these things filled up in your Excel sheet. Let me just open up one more workbook and show you a little more in detail about it. And I will tell you which function it is. Let me just open. Yeah. So I have shared this sheet also with you, right? This function is called as flash fill function, okay? And very easy function. So Microsoft itself, the Excel itself, recognizes the pattern in which you are trying to perform an operation, okay? So let me just put it this way: Gary Miller. And what I am pressing here is Control E. And here I am pressing Control E. Just open the sheet and try doing yourself, right? Here I want to separate the W and M from this, right? So what I do, I write W, I write M and press Control E. One second. I'll press Control E. It takes automatically, right? I want to, take out years from this database, right? 2019, I will put it. It has to change the format. I want just 2019 from here, and I will press Control E. Oh, you see, Excel automatically, just by pressing one button, it is automatically taking the things down. There is no text, there is no left, there is no right, nothing needs to be done. Here you see the names are in not in proper format or proper shape, right? So I want to do it. I give him a pattern, Gary Miller, and Control E. Look at this. It has already changed James Willard to James Willard W. It has made it big, right? Roger Mune, Paul, you see already here both names were small, so it is taking pattern from here, right? So look at how powerful this function is, how powerful. Let's say I want to make an email ID. by using the first and the last name. And a lot of people have joined in my organization. I will say Gary Miller at the rate. Okay. Look at this. It has automatically taken it. Yeah, flash fill. No, Mahant, I think flash fill function is already there in 2010. But again, I will have to check it. Anyone is able to perform what I am doing, guys? Are you able to perform this? Yeah, yeah. Didn't you like this function? Right? So look, this is superb, yaar. Matlab, how much time we are spending just because we don't know the function. It is so simple. It is so simple. We don't have to do anything. Okay, let me just explain. Some of you are saying that we don't know, we are not getting it how you are performing this. So I will again repeat myself. Okay, Gary Miller. I want to break this into two names, right? Gary and Miller. In the text functions, there are different type of functions: left, right, mid, this, that, all that. Okay, you would probably have to use 2 3 functions to split Gary and Miller, right? Correct. How do you split that? You just write once. Whoever has asked this question, I think Guru Prasad, which Excel version you are using, Guru Prasad? So you just have to type the names and see, and press on the next on that column, Control E. You have to do nothing. Control E. This is called as flash fill function. Believe me, guys, if my knowledge goes right, this function was there from 2010 onwards, and we have not used it for 10 years. Maybe you can use the flash fill function, Ajay. In the data, you will have flash fill, so you can use that. Okay. Spelling mistakes also copied. Yes, but Excel will. So I'm just giving you a flavor of flash fill. I have not completed flash fill. Okay. You can play with this. It has its own limitation. Okay. But we will come to that limitation. But I want to, tell you the power of this. Okay. So this is just a trailer of the film. I have not started anything, because why I want to give you this trailer is also important. Okay. Let me just open another sheet. Look at this data. Can you see this data? This data is what you guys have submitted over the Google form. Yeah. Now, Ajay, in 2010, just hold on. I will come back to you for 2010 steps. Okay. Whoever are using 2010, I will have to come back to you on steps. Okay. Himanshu and Ajay. Now see this. I want what I want. It is such a complicated thing, right? Name, email, then phone number, and written in so much inverted commas and all that stuff. I can still do delimit function. I can do left, right, center, and abstract that data. But now with flash fill, how I can do name, email. I've not shared with all of you this file because it was, personal data of a lot of people, but just for the sake of everyone, we are using it. Mahant J. I have just put Mahant J. Look, Mahant J, Saurav, Chanukya, everyone has given it in a different format, but I want it proper. I put it this, Control E, because I have taken Mahant J, right? If I don't take Mahant J, I just take Mahant, it will just give me the first names of that thing. It is a smart function, right? Here I take, so here I can go and copy. I don't have to type always, right? I can go and copy this, right? And just press Control E. Everything is done by Excel. Mobile number, I can just go and copy from here once. And you see here, and Control K, Control E. Control E, it goes down, right? So do start using this function from today itself in all your work, right? But again, a warning, because we have not completed this function. We have not completed this function. There is limitation to this function, and we will talk about this limitation as well. Okay, now guys, I am going to teach you copy paste. Let me open another file. Okay, now this is the file which let me share that file with you. Okay, now copy paste. Do you think you are here to learn copy paste function? Anyone is here to learn copy paste? I don't know how many of you know, but basis my survey result, I believe not many of aware of this function. Okay, now look at this. Okay, just don't go to the nitty-gritties of data. You have some data here, you have some data here, okay, which has numbers. You have some data here, you have some data here. I want you to put it in one sheet, one after the other. What are the steps you will do? Can someone quickly tell me the steps? What is that steps you will do? Paste special, what is that, Jinesh? How you will use paste special? I don't think paste special is what I'm referring to here. Control C, Control Alt V, Nina, right? So let me do this for you, okay? And tell me this is what you will be doing, right? Let me open another file where I'm going to consolidate this, right? You can see. No, we are not talking about, Bhavesh, data nitty-gritties right now. I'm saying you copy paste these things one after the other. So what I will do copy and paste here, Control C, Control V. Then I will go here and look at Control C and do here Control V. I want to keep the data pasted one after the other, right? Here, let me save values, right? Here also I want to do Control C and want to do Control V. No, referencing we are not talking about. I just want to do a simple copy paste from that sheet to this sheet. Are you guys with me that the process which I have followed is the right process and you would have done it like that? Can you give me yes? Sumitra, this was a file and it has some data, some random data, okay? I want to copy all the 4 tabs into one Excel sheet, right? You do this way, but now from today, Bhavesh, you will not do in this way, okay? Let me tell you why. Because there is a small baby here, which is called as clipboard, which we never used in our life, okay? Now, what does that clipboard do? This clipboard, so we have always thought that our copy has only one memory, that it can copy and paste only the recent thing, okay? But it's not like that, okay? Let me just show you. So what I have done is I have only opened the clipboard function here. You see there is a small thing which is coming here. Let it be. Now what I am doing, I am copying here. You see there is something which is getting created here. This is the memory of Excel. I go here, I do copy, right? I go here, I do copy. I go here, I do copy. Okay, now you see I have 4 copies. I have 4 copies. I don't have to shuffle every time, right? Now I have gone to this sheet where I have to copy, paste this. I will open the clipboard. Either I can paste all like this. It will come at one shot, one after the other, the way we were looking at it, right? Or you can just select one item. You have enough detail to select कि यहाँ पे यार ये oh you can't share this, you can't see this, I'm so sorry. So you see here I have come to the new sheet. Now you can see this clipboard, right? Can you see now this blank screen? Yeah. So you see now I can copy all by just pressing one button, copy all, right? It has pasted here. Okay, or you can paste just by clicking one item. Let's say I want to just paste this item from one sheet. I just want to paste this growth thing here. Don't look at the format right now. My objective is to tell you the power of this. Now it does not stop here. Okay, you can change your order. Nina, you don't have to change your order. If you want to paste it in a different order, okay, just click that particular thing. Let's say growth at 7% you want to paste here. You just click here. You are able to see, right? Yeah. So I'm Lalit sir, I am on the same screen which I want to show you. You see, I want to copy this here now, or let's say this is again the same thing. I want to copy this thing here. You just go and click. Now it does not stop here. Excel does not stop here. Okay, or I would say Microsoft does not stop here. Let me open PPT. You can copy and paste in PPT also. You see, it is available here also. Okay, let me just share the PPT. Can you see the PPT screen now? Can you see the screen now? So you see, now I can paste here. I can paste whatever. हम लोग, how much time we spend in copying from Excel to PPT. Now here, while pasting, you can use paste special also. You want to use that formatting, you want to change the formatting, you want to say paste as a, you know, a picture. You can do n number of things. PPT is not, it is visible, it is visible. Can you, yeah, okay, there may be some time lag because others were able to see. What I will do, I will delete all these things again, or let me just have a new slide here. Okay, now I can copy from here, paste, right? It has come. And paste also, you see, you have paste special, text only, you have this only, you have picture, right? So got it? So this is the way we can change our copy paste techniques, right? There is nothing more to the copy paste. It is a complete So these are the options which are available for the paste, and paste special also you can do here, Ratni Rajan. I'm not very clear on the question. Is it possible to paste in special mode such as formula cells also visible with data? In PPT you are asking, or in Excel? In Excel, formula, with formula you can paste.